Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Marissa Fashionista 101. Welcome back. I know I haven't posted a video in a while. I've been so busy with life, being a mom, working, all that fun stuff. So it's time to dive right back into these videos. So if you miss me, hello, I miss you too. So today I'm going to be showing you a little haul, and no, it's not a thrift haul, but it is a pattern haul from Joanns. So it seems like every year Joanns has like this big sale on the patterns, and they were $1.99 each for the Butterwick and McCall's pattern. So when I saw that they were having a sale, I had to go. Luckily I made it on time because the day that I went was the last day of the sale, so I was super excited. I was actually just gonna go to Joann's just to buy some polyfill. I wanted to make my son a padded rail crib thing that you put around the crib. So I ended up just picking up some patterns. So, most of the patterns that I found were the Butterwick. It seems like those ones were like the ones that caught my eye and that I really loved. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So here we go. So I found 8 of them. And also a little backstory, I know I'm gonna be blabbing away, but last year I bought like so many. So at the bucket back there has like probably 40-50 patterns. I found so many, and at that time they said no limit, so I just bought so many. And this year it seems like they have a limit of how many you buy. So they said the limit for the sale was 10 of them. So I was a little bummed out, but that's okay. Have to save a little more money, so it's alright. So here we go. So I'm gonna be starting off with this pattern right here, and it's the Butterwick, and it's just like this old-fashioned vintage like pajamas, nightgowns. They have some 2 pieces. I thought this was so cute. The airplane is flying above my house. Okay, anyways, okay, so yeah, so these are just this really cute pattern. I really want to make something like this. I would love to go to bed all cute and all vintagey, and it doesn't look like it's too hard to make. I never can find them in my size. They're always so big and so huge, and they have extra small. So I'm really excited to make my own, and I could, use a material that's really soft for my skin. So I don't know, it's gonna be a really fun pattern to maybe make in one of my videos. So this next pattern is a Butterwick, and it's the 6 So Easy, and it's just these really cute baby clothes. So I don't have a girl, I have a son, but I really want to make some like baby bloomers and sell them or something. So I just love those little colorful like baby bloomer. Personally, I don't put them on my son because I know that's more of a girl thing. This would be cute, and maybe one day I'll have a girl, but we'll see. So and also they have these cute little hats. They're so cute. This other pattern is a McCall's brand, and this is just this really cute 2-piece set, and it has like these Bermuda shorts and this really cute crop top, and it's just very trendy. And I love when like they make patterns that are a little more trendier than just like a basic like t-shirt, sweater, or whatever. I like that they just keep up with like what people are wearing. So you can kind of like create your own like style, your own twist to it, and it's kind of nice, so you don't look like everybody else. So I'm really excited. I just love that. And I really like the longer style. So you could see all the different lengths that you could use for these pants, and then for the crop tops, the different ruffles in different places. So it's pretty cool. I thought that was a really nice pattern to get. Okay, next pattern is another little girl's pattern. These are more of like onesies, and then they have like these little like 2-piece sets, and then they also have like cute little headband patterns. I thought that was really cute. And then a different style hat. So I'm like, this is so cute. I love this. And you know, if anybody has a baby, make something for their child. So yeah. Okay, so this next pattern is the little boys pattern. This one's the baby fashion essentials. So these are more of the basics for the boys. They're just like the cute little button-ups, the cute little t-shirts, the cute little pants, little joggers. You have the little bucket hats, and just the little more formal wear that have the button down. I would love to make this for my son, because I think for boys, for baby boys, you want more of the comfortable clothes. I mean, you don't want anything too. For me, it's like I want my son to be comfortable and look cute at the same time. So I thought this was super cute. Okay, so this other one is the McCall's brand. I thought this one was so darling. I love these dresses. They're very like bohemian style. They just have like those little ruffles and a lot of pleating. I just thought that was so darling, and they come with so many different styles, like different length sleeves and little tank tops to like in different lengths on the bottom. So it's a really neat pattern, and they come in 4 to 12 sizes, so it's kind of nice. I like when they have the smalls. I was trying to find like extra smalls, but it seems like they don't do a lot of those, so it's okay. At least the ones that I liked, most of them don't have extra smalls. It seems like the very basic styles have like extra smalls, but I thought, well, I could always like make it slightly smaller than my size. Yeah, so there we go. Okay, so next pattern. These are like the history series like patterns. I had to get these. But this one's really cool. These are like accessories. So it's how to make like a bag or a backpack and a crossbody. And then a little corset. And then some like little arm. They're wrist bracers, corset, belt, and pouches. So that's what they are. And it doesn't say what era it's inspired by. I'm thinking like the Vikings. I don't know, that's what I'm thinking of. The Renaissance kind of era. So I don't know, I thought it was interesting. I like to find a lot of like the historical kind of clothing. Because you don't find a lot of that. And I love when they do stuff like this. I think it's so cool. Butterwork, I love you, because that's so fun. And plus, like, I mean, if you can get them on sale for $1.99, that's amazing. Because originally, this would be $16. So if I would have bought all like most of these in full prices, I would spend probably like $200. So the fact that I only spent like, let's see, like $20 on all of these, that's amazing. So the last pattern that I really just fell in love with, I'm so excited. This one is definitely like screams Victorian era, and this is a vest. Oh, I love this. And also they did have a lot of costume patterns on sale, which I wanted to buy it all, but I couldn't. Next time I will definitely have to like save like $100 just so I can like go buy a bunch of patterns. Maybe go to different Joanns, I don't know. I might just do that next year. But this is just so cute. If you personally know me, you know I love Victorian era, so I just fell in love with this. I love the dresses with the lace and like the high neckline. I love that. It's kind of exciting because I could tweak it and make it a little more modern. And this pattern is actually $20, which is crazy. So I saved a lot of money. So that's amazing. And also I found this really cute bag. It's so cute, very fallish. I mean, look how cute. Like animals, like you have the bunny, you have the fox, you have the porcupine. And then I just bought a bunch of polyfill. This was on sale too. I think I got this for like $5. I got it for $7 and it was originally $13. So it was on sale for like 60% off. So I was like, that's not bad for like all this. So it's kind of nice. So I'll be making this for my son for his little crib thing. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini little haul that I did for the patterns. So I don't know, this is just a little different, but maybe for the sewers out there who enjoy watching these type of videos, thank you for watching this, and I hope you enjoyed it. What is that? Anyways, I will see you in my next video. Bye.